Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Bank of America mortgage account. Go to your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Bank of America Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, which will lead you to Bank of America's official mortgage page. Now you can translate the page if it's not in English, and you can see that it will be translated into English, and then click on enter, and you can enter your login ID and your password. You can even enable save user ID, which will save your user ID for future use. And after you do so, hit the login button and you can get into your account. In case you forgot your ID or password, click on the link over here and then write down your card or account number, social security or tax ID number, press continue, and you can get a mail from them, and then you can verify the mail and reset your password quite easily. I hope this video about how to log into your Bank of America mortgage account is helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the videos and subscribe to the channel as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.